Welcome to the product demonstration of EV bike working model. In this product, we are using accelerator, key, and charging circuit, and also restless sine wave controller and LCD display, and also using a BLDC motor with a battery pack. So this is the main of this product is it will explain how EV bike working will be explained in this one, and also how EV bike will be charged, and also we can see the speed of the BLDC motor through this LCD display. So first of all, we need to on the MCB. So here we can see miniature circuit breaker. If any fault is in the circuit, then automatically this MCB will be tripped down. If any fault is not detected, then it will be in a on position. So I am just oning this MCB. So now here we can see the welcome to the product display. So we can see battery voltage 24 volts and battery percentage and speed is 0. And also here we can see charging circuit. So it is a battery output. So here we can see the battery. So we are using two 12 volts batteries with the 7 amps. So we added two batteries in a series. So it will become a 24 volts. That 24 volts will be given to here. So if we give the power supply through this power cable, it takes 230 volts of power supply and it will step down up to 24 volts of DC. So now I am giving the power supply. So we can see the red light indication, which means battery get charging. If we want to connect this one, so we can remove this one also. Now we will see how BLDC motor will be works. So BLDC motor consists of a 3 wires for the main RYB connection, and another one here we can see 3 is for the RFI sensors and 2 wires is for the positive negative power supply for the RFI sensor. We know RFI sensor will change the magnetic field. So these are the RFI sensor connections with the positive negative supply, and these are RYB connections for this BLDC motor. So through this one we have connected internally to this BLDC motor, and so we need to on this switch. So here we can see the switch. This is off and this is the on. So here we can see, if I raise this one gradually, so we can see the motor speed. So now I am increasing the speed, so we can see the motor direction. So now here we can see voltage and the speed of the. So here we can see kilometer per hour speed. So we can see the rotation of this motor. As the speed is decreasing slowly. So we can see the speed also here. Here we can see this is a microcontroller, which we are using is a PIC microcontroller. So here we can see with the number of the PIC microcontroller, and also here we can see the voltage sensor, which measures the voltage of this battery. So here we can see it is connected 1:1 ratio. So the 24 volts will be connected input of this voltage sensor, and the output of voltage sensor will be given to this A0 pin. So through A0 pin we can read the signals, and here we can see MCB. It is connected to this battery main power supply. and also here we can see connections, RYB connections with LFS sensors which are connected to the BLDC motor. So this is the LCD driver. So we are connecting a V0 to V7, V2 to V7 port to this driver. Through this driver we can see the display values from the front side. So sometimes display may not give correct values. Even that time we need to reset this switch. It is a reset button. If we press this one, so we can see the light indication 2 times, which means this microcontroller get restarted. And here we can see 7805 voltage regulator. So we are taking a 12 volts of 24 volts of power supply. So if we want to, so this microcontroller wants only 5 volts of power supply, so it will step down up to 24 volts to 5 volts. That's why we are using this voltage regulator. So it will step down 24 volts to 5 volts. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.